Motorhome, subscribe to Apex Motorhome, hit like, and stay with us.
Comment below, tap the bell, and join us for more luxury RV adventures.
What if a $60 million motorhome pulled onto an American highway and the real shock wasn't its size, but what was hidden behind the driver's door? Meet the 2027 Sovereign Luxury RV, a mansion on wheels concept built around extreme luxury, privacy, and technology. And today, we're going inside from the drive cabin to the Sky Lounge, without skipping a floor. Before we start, hit like, subscribe, and comment with the first feature you'd want in your own dream RV. Now, let's open the door. The tour begins in the drive cabin, where the entire journey starts. Instead of treating the cockpit as an afterthought, the Sovereign concept makes it the command point for the road. From here, the driver has a clear forward view and direct access to the living levels behind. The important detail is what comes next. This cabin is only the beginning, because the first floor transforms the vehicle from transportation into a private residence. Step into floor 1, and the luxury lounge sets the tone. Think generous seating, premium finishes, and large windows designed to connect the interior with the landscape outside. Move forward, and the gourmet kitchen becomes the heart of the living space, combining residential-style preparation areas with a polished luxury aesthetic. Nearby, a dedicated luxury bathroom adds privacy and convenience, while the master bedroom creates a separate retreat for rest. But floor 1 keeps going. The laundry area brings practical everyday living into the mansion on wheels concept, while the luxury office creates a private place to work, plan, or handle business without leaving the road. And that combination is what makes this level interesting. It is designed around both comfort and real-world usability. But if you think the first floor is already excessive, wait until you see what happens upstairs. Floor 2 changes the mood completely. First comes the kids' playing area, giving younger passengers a dedicated space instead of taking over the main lounge. Then there's a medication room, providing a separate, organized area for health-related supplies. Next, the minibar introduces a social element, setting up the most unexpected transformation on this floor. Because just beyond it is a dance and party club. This is where the Sovereign concept stops feeling like a conventional RV and starts feeling like a private entertainment venue on wheels. There's also a men's kit area, adding another dedicated personal space before the biggest reveal on this level, an indoor swimming pool. Imagine traveling across America while having a private pool inside your own moving residence. It's an extraordinary concept, and it leads to an even bigger question. How would you control all of this technology? That answer comes in the Smart Technology System control room. Rather than scattering controls throughout the RV, this dedicated space represents the brain behind the experience. A concept like this could coordinate lighting, climate, entertainment, security, and other onboard systems from one central location. The exact equipment and capabilities would depend on the final engineering, because this Sovereign Luxury RV is best understood as a luxury concept rather than a verified production specification sheet. And once the technology is centralized, the tour can finally rise to its ultimate destination. At the top is the Sky Lounge, the grand finale of the Sovereign experience. This is where the interior journey opens toward the sky, creating a premium space for relaxing, entertaining, and taking in the scenery as the RV travels. Picture comfortable luxury seating, panoramic views, refined finishes, and an atmosphere designed around the feeling of being above the road while still moving through it. And that final perspective puts the entire concept into focus. The Sovereign Luxury RV isn't simply about adding more rooms. It's about reimagining what a motorhome can become when residential comfort, entertainment, work, wellness, and advanced technology are brought together in one mobile environment. And remember, every detail shown here should be treated as a concept unless independently confirmed by a manufacturer or engineering source. That distinction matters, especially when a vehicle is described with a headline price and extraordinary features. The imagination can go almost anywhere, but turning that vision into a safe, road-legal machine would require serious engineering, testing, certification, and enormous resources. That is what makes the idea so fascinating before production. So, would a $60 million price tag be justified if a vehicle like this were actually engineered and built? That depends on the materials, technology, craftsmanship, performance, and exclusivity behind the finished machine. For now, the Sovereign Luxury RV represents the ultimate fantasy of American road travel, a private mansion that moves. If you want more next-generation luxury RV tours, wild American motorhome concepts, and jaw-dropping interiors, subscribe now, because the next reveal could be even more unbelievable. And tell us in the comments, which Sovereign feature would you want to experience first?